afternoon, Bicolandia. Nagbabalik tayo para sa pangalawang linggo po ng Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League dito po sa Naga College Foundation Covered Court. And of course, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick and Panty Puerta na maghahatid sa inyo ng aksyon dito lang yan.
Yan, team, talagang aabangan tayo sa ating mga live stream media. We have the Bukal Facebook page, One Media TV 48, Naga Oragon Sports TV. So second week na ng ating Bukal Season 5 Volleyballs, Men and Women Division. So itong nakikita natin sa ating likod is nag-warm up na ang team ng CBSUA Buffaloes at ang kalaban nila ay ang Pasakaw White Tigers. Dalawang walang panalo pa sa naganap na laro noong nakaraang linggo. So this time, talagang uhaw sila sa panalo para makuha ang first win nila dito sa ating season na ito.
At sa hindi po nakakaalam, mga baguhang team po itong ating CBSUA as well as the Pasakaw. Pero last week, napakaganda din ng performance nila. Dito muna tayo sa CBSUA kung saan nakalaban nga po nila ang ating first runner-up na UNC Greyhounds. Kung saan nga po nakakuha sila ng isang step at napakaganda nung laban na ipinakita nila.
Talagang nabitin lang at nakulangan sa consistency ang nangyari doon sa ating CBSUA Buffaloes. Talagang aabangan ng team na ito. Dumako naman tayo sa Pasakaw Academy. Nakita nga natin na ang nakalaban nila last week is the ACLC Hawks na kung saan nagkulang nga sila dito ng kanilang depensa at opensa, pero ngayong hapon aabangan natin dito ang performance ng dalawang kupunan na ito para makuha ang una nilang panalo.
Ayan nga rin, kaabang-abang po ang magiging unang bakbakan natin ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo sa ating mga Facebook Live, sa ating Bukal as well as sa Oragon Sports TV. And of course, mapapanood din tayo sa One Media TV 48 Naga. At maya-maya po, konting panahon na lang, magsisimula na ang laban na ito. At para naman makahingi tayo or babalikan muna natin ang ating mga courtside reporter na makakasama natin mamaya at magbibigay sa atin ng report. Pero yan, aabangan nga natin. Of course, gusto lang din natin pasalamatan ang ating mga live audience na andito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Ayan nga rin, kanina pinag-usapan natin yung CBSUA. Maganda yung performance na pinakita nila. At para naman malaman natin kung ano nga ba yung preparation nila for this week against the Pasakaw Academy, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all our volleyball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the second week of Bicol University's Colleges and Athletic League Men's and Women's Volleyball Division. I am Kyla Casuya, all the way from CBSUA Buffaloes. For their second game this season, they are ready to bounce back and have their first ever win. According to team captain Aaron Velasco, after their game against the Greyhounds, they focus more on their blockings because that is their lack during their last game. He added that Coach Rex reminded them to always focus, have the consistency, and apply the good communication inside the court. As the team captain, he continuously reminds the team na huwag madaliin ang bawat laro at pag nalalamangan ng kalaban, huwag panghinaan ng loob. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Ang kanyang report na huwag panghinaan ng loob ang ating players ng CBSUA Buffaloes because kailangan nilang makuha ang panalo ngayong hapon na ito, and let's see kung anong ipapakita nilang magandang opensa at depensa pagdating dito sa kanilang pupunan. So napansin nga natin kanina na talagang they are focused when it comes to their warm-ups, and I'm sure the CBSUA Buffaloes will give their 100% here sa ating laro, and let's abangan natin yan dito maya-maya lamang.
Ayan Rick, dito naman sa side ng ating Pasakaw Academy, baguhan man sila, kulang man sila sa height dahil nga yung mga kalaban nila talaga yung height difference. But let's see kung ano nga ba yung gagawin dito ng Pasakaw White Tigers. At para makihingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Good afternoon, Rick and Teen, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are back here again at Naga College Foundation Covered Court for another thrilling game. This Bukal Season 5 Volleyball Men's Division. I am Rain Reyes and I am your courtside resident on the side of the Pasakaw Academy, White Tigers. Folks, this is a battle between the White Tigers and the Buffaloes. Talaga namang the players are back on their feet again on the hard court. According to their coach, they have been focusing their training and adjusting their floor defense so that the players will be able to receive or dig the ball in a much easier way. Communication and energy inside the hard court should be maintained whatever whatever the flow of the game may be. Now, will the White Tigers be able to win this game? Yan ang dapat nating abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Train for that update. So yun nga, tinabanggit mo kanina na talagang kitang-kita dito ang kanilang height differences when it comes to the players. Pero according to Rain, handa naman sila dito sa kanilang makakatapat sa CBSUA Buffalos, and kagaya nga ng ating CBSUA Buffalos, they will give their 100% here sa larong ito para makuha ang kanilang first win. So, nabanggit ko kanina na natalo ang dalawang kupunan nito sa kanilang first game, pero dito sa kanilang pangalawang laro is I'm pretty sure na babawi ang dalawang kupunan na ito.
Yan, kaya abangan natin kung sino nga ba dito sa nanggaling na talo nung last week ang makakakuha ng kanilang unang panalo. And in just a few minutes, magsisimula na po ang bakbakang Pasaka White Tigers against the CBS-UA Buffalos. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV and Bukal Facebook page. Magbabalik po kami.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
And we are back here sa ating unang laro. Again, matchup between the Buffalo and the White Tigers. So in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang kaabang-abang na matchup between these two teams. Ayan, magsha-shoutout rin tayo mamaya sa ating live audiences na nakatutok sa Bukal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV.
Let us now meet the players of the Pasakal Academy, White Tigers! Starting off with jersey number 10, Oslo Mogo. Team captain, jersey number 25, Kenneth Esbali. Jersey number 12, James Akimoto. Jersey number 27, Baby de la Sala. Jersey number 1, Jose Miguelito. And jersey number 14, Robert Michael Rebowski. Starting in the middle, it's jersey number 11, Gerald Malaya. White Tigers is led by Don Pedro Portillo.
And now, that's the player for both teams, the CBS-UA Buffaloes and the Pasakal White Tigers. Now, for our set number 1, let's see kung anong nga ba yung naging preparation nitong dalawang kupunan na ito para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa ating Bukal Season 5. Now, Rick, gusto lang din nating pasalamatan yung ating mga live viewers dito. Kahit holiday, andito sila para suportahan yung kanilang mga teams. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Yan, Tin, magsisimula na nga ang ating set number 1.
Now, on the side of the CBS-UA De La Peña to serve.
Too strong on that first attack coming from the player of the Pasakal Academy. So, free ball. Free point rather ang ibibigay dito sa ating CBS-UA Buffalo. The rally continues. De La Peña sa ating Heliran. And 2 straight points para dito sa ating CBS-UA Buffaloes. So nahihirapan dito ang ating White Tigers para mag-convert ng points. Hiliran again. And Hiliran, dalawang magkasunod na puntos coming from him.
Now, tatlong sunod-sunod na puntos na nga ang nagagawa dito ng ating CBS-UA Buffaloes. Mukhang uhaw din sila sa panalo dahil nga napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila last week against the UNC Greyhounds. Now, the Pasakal White Tigers need to double their effort now. And that's it! Unang puntos para sa ating Pasakal White Tigers. Ito yung kailangan nila depensa sa kanilang side.
So first point ng Pasakal Academy galing sa isang monster block. So ganun ang kailangan dito ng Pasakal Academy para makahabol dito sa dalawang abante ng ating CBS-UA Buffalo. Great serve. Hiliran will try. Andun ang player ng Pasakal Academy. Free ball dito ang ibibigay. Velasco, their team captain, magbibigay dito ng puntos para sa kanilang koponan.
For serving 1 para dito sa ating first set. On the side of the Buffalo, Velasco to serve. Medyo napalakas nga dyan. Tigil na dito si Velasco. Now, that's a free point for the Pasakal White Tigers. Now, jersey number 25 on their side, Tresvales Rex to serve.
Ball is still alive. So miscommunication para sa Buffalo. Chance for the White Tigers to score. Pero ang puntos ay mapupunta doon sa CBS-UA Buffaloes coming from that hit.
Napakaganda ng simula dito para sa ating Buffaloes. They just need to strengthen their defense here. 5 serving 2 now. Jersey number 3, Rico. And that's an ace coming from him. Medyo lumalaki na nga yung kalamangan dito ng ating CBS-UA Buffalo. Kailangan pong pagtingin ng Pasakal Academy ang kanilang offense as well as the defense.
Heliran, one more time. At yun nga, nahihirapan ditong itaas ang bola sa koponan ng Pasakaw Academy. Their floor defense here sa ating set number 1 is talagang hindi masyadong maganda. That's why nahihirapang gumawa ng play ang kanilang setter. But this time, makakakuha si Hinto ng 1 point coming from that quick hit. So yun ang dapat gawin dito ng Pasakaw Academy. Nakita naman natin na maganda yung first ball. That's why nakakonvert sila ng points. So very crucial talaga dito ang pagkakaroon ng magandang floor defense para magkaroon ng puntos dito sa larong ito.
Ayan nga, Rick, kanina pinag-usapan natin yung height difference between these two teams. Medyo nga may kalamangan itong ating CBS-UA, but on the side of the Pasakaw Academy, napakagaling din naman nilang kumatake. But this time, nakuha ng CBS-UA Buffaloes ang puntos na yan, gaining them a 5-point lead against the Pasakaw White Tigers. Now, Heliran will serve the ball for the side of the Buffaloes. That's an error. Pasakaw White Tigers was given a bonus point here. 8 serving 4.
And a great attack coming from De La Peña. Cross-court hit ang ibibigay niya from that last sequence. So maganda ang simula dito ng CBS-UA Buffaloes.
Na kung nakita nyo talaga yung first game nila against the UNC Greyhounds, napakalakas din talaga ng atake nitong ating CBS-UA. And ngayon, pinapakita nila ulit na uhaw sila sa panalo ngayong hapon na ito ng Llamas.
Straight to the net attack coming from the player of the Pasakaw White Tigers. So again, kailangan din nila ditong bawasan ng kanilang unforced error. Kasi the CBS-UA Buffaloes is slowly pulling away dito sa ating set number 1. Rico setting up his teammate. Another score para dito sa ating CBS-UA Buffaloes at magkakaroon nga dito ng early timeout sa side ng White Tigers kasi abante na dito ang kanilang kalaban. 11-4 sa ating scoreboard.
Ayan nga, maganda nga yung, kanina pa natin ito sinasabi, maganda yung umpisa dito ng ating CBS-UA Buffaloes from their defense as well as the offense. Kulang din naman dito sa side ng ating Pasakaw White Tigers yung kanilang depensa kung saan nga minsan yung bola hindi na nila nakukuha. And they just need to tighten their defense now at para makahabol sa puntos ng ating CBS-UA Buffaloes. At first set pa lang naman to, pwede pa silang bumawi maya-maya lang.
Ayan, maganda ang pinapakita dito ng CBS-UA Buffaloes kasi they are taking advantage sa kung anong nagagawang broken play ng kabilang kupunan. So let's see kung magiging consistent pa dito ang kanilang team. At this time, magandang timeout para dito sa ating Pasakaw White Tigers kasi magkakaroon ng puntos ang kanilang kupunan.
Nahinto nga nila yung sunod-sunod na puntos dito ng ating CBS-UA Buffaloes. Now,
ball is still alive. Great floor defense this time. Another great pancake save. Ball is still alive. Chance for the Buffalo. Now White Tigers ball. This time, ang puntos ay mapupunta sa ating CBS-UA Buffaloes.
pero kung makikita mo din naman talaga, mukhang kailangan na talaga ng Pasakaw White Tigers dagdagan ang kanilang depensa dito. Now, free ball. CBS-UA now. Strong attack coming from Velasco, and that's outside. So the point will go on the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers. 12 serving 6 here. Now jersey number 17 to serve here. And that's an error Coming from jersey number 27, Jenon Salawa. Ngayon, CBS-UA meron ulit chance para mas mapahaba pa ito. Makuha ang first set.
And another regalo dito para sa CBS-UA Buffalo. So nakikita nga natin dito na nahihirapan ulit dito ang White Tigers to convert a point coming from their poor reception. Soft touch was good para dito kay Hinto.
Now, the CBS-UA is halfway through the first set. They are taking advantage of their height difference between the Pasakaw White Tigers.
Rico setting up Hiliran and a powerful spike coming from him.
Now, Hiliran was really consistent from the very first game against the UNC Greyhounds. Talagang nagpakita na talaga siya ng magandang laro. At ngayon, talaga namang he is really giving a point for the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes.
So that's what I'm talking about, Tina. If you have your perfect first ball, talagang maganda ang kakalabasan ng atake ng iyong spikers. So a very good point coming from the CBS-UA Buffalo. Now Velasco, their team captain, now serving. But this time, it was a service error coming from him. So nabawer din dito yung kanilang puntos kanina.
Now, ito lang dapat yung iwasan o bawasan ng ating CBS-UA Buffaloes, yung kanilang mga errors. To play.
Ball is still alive.
Medyo nawawala din sa control yung mga palo dito ng ating Pasakaw White Tigers. At napatawag muli ng timeout dito sa side ng ating White Tigers with 16 serving 8. Siyam na lamang na puntos ang inihintay dito ng ating CBS-UA Buffaloes to get the set number 1. And napakaganda nga. Again, paulit-ulit nating sinasabi, napakaganda na performance ngayon ng CBS-UA. While on the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers, kailangan pa nilang pag-igihan. And medyo, minsan, nawawala sila ng control sa kanilang mga palo. Minsan, lumalabas naman. And of course, kailangan din nilang pagbutihin ang kanilang floor defense dito. Now we're back to the ball game as the CBS-UA Buffaloes is on the lead of 8. 16 serving 8. Now, Rico. An error again for the side of the Buffaloes, so that was a given point for the side of Pasakaw White Tigers. Now, jersey number 9, Hinto to serve. And that's also an error for the side of the White Tigers. Bigaya lang ng puntos dito. Now, Heliran to serve for the side of the CBS-UA.
Now chance for the White Tigers here to score, pero ibibigay nito ang free ball sa kanilang koponan. Soft touch. Nakita yon ng ating White Tigers. Rico setting up in the middle. Makakakuha doon ng puntos ang CBS-UA Buffalo. 18-9 on our scoreboard and still maganda talaga dito ang simula ng ating Buffalo side. Pero dito naman sa ating White Tigers, nahihirapan pa din sila. They are still calculating their defense and offense here. That's why abante dito ng 8 ang kanilang kalaban.
Yan, Rick, yung problema lang dito sa side ng ating CBS-UA Buffaloes, nakakarami na silang error. And yun nga yung dapat nilang bawasan dito. Medyo nanggigigil na din sila. And again, that's an error for the side of the CBS-UA. So a bonus point was given on the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers. Still, the game is still on as the Pasakaw umahabol dito against the CBS-UA.
Rico, miscommunication between Rico and the middle blocker of the CBS-UA Buffalo. So ito ang dapat namang bawasan ng ating Buffalo kasi paunti-unti nakakahabol dito ang White Tigers.
Now, Rick, this is the chance for the White Tigers para mas makakuha pa sila ng puntos.
Another error was committed on the side of the CBSUA Buffalo. So the White Tigers is loving it kasi nakakahabol sila dito sa
Yes.
first set na ito.
Now, with that error of the CBSUA, they've given the chance to the Pasakal White Tigers. They have the momentum right now, but let's see with the CBSUA now.
Now, chance for the White Tigers here to have a score again. Pero andoon si Hiliran. Llamas with the attack. And still, back to back unforced error ang makukomit dito ng Buffaloes.
Now, the Pasakal White Tigers still have the chance for our set number 1, 18 serving 14 now.
Hiliran on the pipe. This time, makakakuha na ng puntos ang ating Buffalo.
Now, the CBSUA side, they need to lessen their error now as they're going near the end of the set number 1. Now, jersey number 2 to serve. That's Sumayaw. That's an outside. Again, an error was committed for the side of the Buffaloes. Bonus point para dito sa ating Pasakal White Tigers. 19 serving 15. Now, jersey number 14.
Llamas setting up Velasco. Nice dig coming from the White Tigers. Rico to Llamas, soft touch. Again, ball is still alive. Hiliran from the back. Nakakakuha siya ng puntos coming from that off the block hit. So back to 5-point lead para dito sa Buffaloes.
Now, the Buffaloes is back again at their game. While the White Tigers are having that opportunity para makahabol dito sa ating first set. Now, Llamas.
Ball is still alive. Rico. Free ball ngayon para sa White Tigers. Now, another off the block hit. Through the block rather, para dito sa ating CBSUA Buffalo. So, 4 points away on getting this set number 1. Again, the CBSUA Buffaloes needs to be consistent and minimize their error if they want to win this set number 1. Hiliran, straight to the net attack.
Now, naputol ulit yung consistency dito sa side ng ating CBSUA Buffaloes. 21 serving 16. Now, jersey number 27, Junon Salao to serve.
What a nice rejection on the net para dito sa White Tigers.
Ito yung kailangan sa kanilang team dahil nga malakas yung atake dito ng ating CBSUA. Kailangan paigtingin ng ating Pasakal White Tigers yung kanilang depensa dito. Now, again, jersey number 27.
Bantay sarado doon sa hulog na yon ang White Tigers. So again, these two teams talagang nagtatansyahan pa sila dito sa ating first set. Noyliran, soft touch. And that's the end of our first set, 25-18. So mag-aabangan natin dito ang set number 2 between the Buffaloes and the White Tigers only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second set sa bakbakang Buffaloes and White Tigers. So nakuha nga ng CBSUA Buffaloes ang first set na yon, and as we can see here on the statistic, talagang abante dito when it comes to the attacks ang CBSUA Buffaloes, 11 kontra 2 ng ating pasaka White Tigers, and their unforced error, kahit mataas dito ang unforced error ng ating CBSUA, na ipanalo nila ang set na yon coming from a great attacks coming from their spikers.
Now, doon naman sa side ng ating pasaka White Tigers, medyo nagkulang sila doon sa ating set number 1, pero sa pagpasok ng ating set number 2, kung makikita nyo, napakaganda ng simula nila. At para makikita tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Ray. From the very beginning of the game, they were reminded to communicate and focus on the ball. Maintain your positions and know your place. Do not be distracted by the score and stay focused on playing the game. Those are the reminders that were given to them by their coach during the first time. They truly showed and improved their plays and roles, but not enough for them to win this first set. But with their current momentum, the White Tigers will surely show and display a great game. Yan muna ang update on the side of the White Tigers. Back to you, Tin and Ray.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So yun nga, Pasakaw Academy needs to step up here sa ating second set ng laro. Nakita nga natin dito sa early game ng ating set number 2 is abante pa rin ng isa ang ating CBSUA Buffaloes. para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng CBS-UA Buffaloes. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now on the second set of this match-up. During the huddle, Coach Rex reminds the team to lessen their errors that they had committed last set and execute properly their game system. And after adjustment last practice, they need to execute properly the blockings that they need. Coaches emphasizes that they need to execute a proper communication inside the court so that the chemistry will work. Also, dagdag pa ni Coach, they can feel the energy at the first set. Kailangan nila itong dagdagan at paikot. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, bawasan ang kanilang error for the second set. Dahil nga, nung ating first set, medyo napadami yung kanilang record dito. And of course, they just need to put together and communicate inside the court as our set number 2 is starting. They're on the lead of 1. Di pa sa White Tigers, talaga namang napakaganda ng pasok sa kanila ng ating set number 2. We are tied on 3 now.
Now, the Pasaka White Tigers is slowly getting their rhythm here sa ating laro. Kung nakikita nga natin dito, they have perfect first ball. That's why nako-convert nila ito in a strong attack. So, that's the most important thing here. And another score was given on the side of the Pasaka Tigers courtesy of that strong block. So, if you want to stop a strong attacks, you need a great defense on the net. So, yun ang ipinakita on that last sequence ng ating Pasaka White Tigers.
And now, kailangan lang nila dito maging consistent to get the momentum for our set number 2. But the CBS-UA Buffaloes will not be given them the chance to get another point here as we are now tied again on 4. Now, jersey number 3 on the side of the CBS-UA, Rico to serve.
Now, another deadlock. So, maganda ang pinapakita dito ng dalawang koponan. Nagkakaroon tayo ng mga rallies. Now, Tres Valles setting up hinto pero masyadong dikit sa net. That's why the point will go on the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes.
Sabi na natin, dapat maging consistent itong ating Pasaka White Tigers. Now, another point for the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes. They are gaining their rhythm now as Rico again to serve.
Tres Valles setting up hinto. But the ball will go on the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes. Pero masyadong mababa on that attack coming from jersey number 10 of the Buffaloes. So automatically the point will go on the side of the White Tigers. Now hinto on the deck to serve para dito sa Pasakaw.
But that's an error. So a point will be going on the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes. Ngayon lumalayo muli itong ating Buffaloes na kailangan pigilan ng ating Pasakaw White Tigers and gain another point. And it's still inside for the Buffaloes. 5 serving 8. 3-point lead para dito sa ating CBS-UA Buffaloes. Biggest gap for our set number 2.
Another service ace coming from the Buffaloes courtesy of Hiliran at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng White Tigers. So nakita nga natin on that last sequence na napapabayaan na naman dito ng White Tigers ang kanilang pwesto inside the court. That's why nagkakaroon dito ng service ace ang kupunan ng Buffaloes. And 4 points away na dito ang ating CBS-UA na kailangang habulin ng ating White Tigers if they want to get and snatch the set number 2.
Ayan nga, Rick, kanina nga maganda yung umpisa ng ating Pasakaw White Tigers pero sabi mo nga, napabayaan muli nila at nakuha ng CBS-UA Buffaloes ang kanilang momentum para sa ating set number 2, setting them by 4 points against the Pasakaw White Tigers. Now we're back on the ball game. Jersey number 7, Hiliran to serve.
Now, Tres Valles setting up his teammate, pero too strong on jersey number 10 para dito sa White Tigers. That's why 5-point lead na dito ang hawak ng CBSUA Buffaloes.
Yan, lumalayo nga muli itong ating Buffaloes dito sa ating Pasakaw White Tigers.
Now, Rico. The ball is on the side of the White Tigers. Rico setting up his teammate. Nobody homes para dito sa ating Pasakaw White Tigers. And yun na naman ang nagiging problema dito ng ating Pasakaw Academy. Their strong connection inside the court and their floor defense nawawala para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
Now again, that's
Now, service ace dito ang ibabato ng ating CBSUA Buffalo.
now 7-point lead for the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. And ngayon, medyo hindi na maganda yung takbo ng laro para sa side ng ating Pasakaw White Tigers. While the CBSUA is still gaining a point here and having their momentum for our second set.
In a smart move, rather the point will be awarded on the side of the White Tigers. Akala ko puntos na yon ng ating CBSUA Buffaloes, pero magkakaroon pala ng net violation para sa kanilang kupunan.
Now, half of the score of the CBSUA, 6-12 here, now Pasakaw.
Ball is still alive. But this time, De La Peña siniguradong makakakuha ng puntos ang kanyang kupunan. Again, the CBSUA Buffaloes, talagang ayaw nila ditong mahabol ng kanilang kalaban.
Now, the CBSUA talagang nabawasan yung kanilang error from the set number 1 and they just needed to be consistent with that way. But for the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers, floor defense, and that's it. Nakakuha muli sila ng puntos dito. 7-13.
Para lucky break para doon sa White Tigers on that last play na magkakaroon ng substitution ng setter dito para sa CBSUA.
Yes, Castañares is joining the team of the CBSUA here to add a fuel on their team.
Tres Valles setting up jersey number 10, but it doesn't cross the net. 4 touches dito ang itatawag sa side ng White Tigers. Pero this time, babawi doon si jersey number 10 ng White Tigers. A down the line hit from that last play. So, kaya naman ditong humabol ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. It's just that hindi sila nagiging consistent when it comes to their play and hindi nila maiwasan at mabawasan ang kanilang unforced error. Katulad nga niyan, on cue. Another service error was committed by the White Tigers na talaga namang nagpapahirap sa kanilang kupunan this second set. Kung sa CBSUA Buffaloes, nabawasan na lang kanilang unforced error. Dito naman sa ating White Tigers, talagang sunod-sunod ang kanilang error. That's why another timeout was called by their coach. Ayan, Tin, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok sa ating mga live stream media. Shoutout dito kay Karen K. Escaro, Julina Paharin, and Kayla Casulla. Thank you so much for your support.
Ayan, shoutout din tayo sa ating live viewers dito sa shoutout kay Ben, kay Alan Nagalato, kay Linda Espinosa, kay Brooks, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kay Anthony, sa pagsuporta po sa ating CBS ating
So net violation was called on Rico coming from that last play. 10-18 on our scoreboard, and still the lead is on the side of the Buffaloes. Nagkakaroon na nga dito ng substitution sa side ng CBS-UA. We can see different faces and new faces dito. Hindi ito yung kanilang first six. And now, Nogot magbibigay ng free point sa kanyang kalaban. Again, unforced error. Hindi talaga dito maiwasan ng ating White Tigers. Velasco on the deck to serve para sa Buffaloes. Tres Valles setting up his teammate, jersey number 14, Regaspi, at makakakuha ng down the line hit. Now, CBS-UA volleyball, jersey number 12, serving, Tres Valles. Setting up Regaspi, soft touch. Nabantayan nito ng Buffaloes. But this time, Corativo, straight to the net. So nakikita na naman natin dito yung nangyari ng first set na kung saan naghahabol ng paunti-unti ang ating White Tigers. Substitution on the side of the White Tigers. So, unforced error was committed by the Buffaloes. Nakita natin doon masyadong hindi maganda yung kanilang first ball. That's why hindi makakakuha ng puntos ang kanilang kupunan. Now, Buffaloes chance. But the ball is still alive. A nice reaction coming from the White Tigers. One more time for the player of CBS-UA. Pero again, straight to the net. Coming from Castañares. Free ball dito ang ibibigay para sa Buffaloes. And a net violation was called on the White Tigers. At dahil dyan, 3 points away na lamang on getting this set number 2 para sa CBSUA Buffaloes. Ayan, it's not yet over para dito sa White Tigers. Kailangan lang nila ditong wag mag-commit ng error. Rigaspi on the deck to serve para dito sa White Tigers. Orante with that beautiful cross-court hit. Ball is still alive. One more time for Orante, but this time, too much spice on that attack. 18-23 sa ating talaan. Talagang hindi pa dito bumibitaw ang Pasakaw White Tigers. Free ball ang ibibigay dito sa CBSUA. Ball is still alive. Tres Valles. Now Orante, back-to-back free ball para sa dalawang kupunan. Tres Valles, ating peace teammate. At makakakuha ng puntos. One set point save para dito sa White Tigers. Tres Valles, again, talagang ayaw bumitaw dito ng White Tigers. Ito ang kailangan nating makita para dito sa kupunang ito if they want to stay on getting this set number 2. Another great serve. Pero this time, it ends with an attack error. So, the second set will go on the side of the Buffaloes. Abangan natin ang ating third set only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our third set. At nakuha nga ng ating CBSUA Buffaloes ang first and second set. One set away on getting this game para naman dito sa ating White Tigers. Kailangan nila ditong mag-extra effort if they want to force a set number 4. So our third set magsisimula sa service ace coming from De La Peña. What a nice way to start the set number 3 para sa Buffaloes. Para tignan ng ating set 2 statistics. Medyo dikit dito on the attacks ang ating White Tigers and the Buffaloes. 8 ang sa ating Buffaloes kontra 7 ng White Tigers. But the unforced error of the Pasaka White Tigers, 12 at 8 lamang dito sa ating Buffaloes. So let's see kung makukuha na ba ng Buffaloes ang larong ito or will the White Tigers force a set number 4.
Kaya titingnan natin, Rick, kung ano ba yung gagawin ng CBSUA para makuha pa itong ating pangatlong set para sunod-sunod na nga yung panalong makuha nila at para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from their side. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the third set of this matchup and the momentum continues on the side of the Buffaloes dahil nakuha pa rin nga nila ang second set. And for the third set, Coach Rex reminds the team to contribute and give whatever they can give for the team because individual contribution is very important. Dagdag pa ni Coach, don't miss every opportunity, especially the chance ball. Dagdag pa niya, kailangan din dagdagan ang kanilang energy inside the court. Matapos na kaya ang matchup na to at may uwi na ng Buffaloes ang kanilang unang panalo? Yan ang dapat nating abangan at tutukan dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much Kyla for that update. So yun nga, abangan natin kung kukunin na ba ng CBSUA Buffaloes ang larong ito. Napakinggan nga natin dito na kailangan magkaroon ng connection inside the court because individual performance is a key para sa successful communication inside the court at para magkapuntos dito sa ating CBSUA Buffaloes.
Ayan nga Rick, sa pagsimula nga nating set number 3, 6-0 nothing run po ang pagsisimula dito sa side ng ating CBSUA para talagang sinasabi nila that this set will be theirs. Pero titignan natin sa side ng ating Pasaka White Tigers kung ano ang gagawin nila dito for our set number 3 at para makingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Tin and Rick. The White Tigers are surely displaying their A game even just in the first few minutes of the second set. During their first huddle, they were told na iwasan ang pagsasabi ng sorry pag nagkakamali and instead sabihin ay bawi. Because whenever an error occur, it is important to move on and do better once you have your chance again with the ball. Still, the White Tigers have their shortcomings and with this, the opponent managed to take the second set. But this is not yet over, folks. Patuloy nating abangan ang White Tigers only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Much Rain for that update. So yun nga, according to the coach of the Pasaka White Tigers, bawasan ang sorry at gawing bawi ang kanilang error dito sa ating set number 3. This is not yet over talaga para dito sa ating White Tigers. So they need to play their game at ipakita kung ano bang kaya ng kanilang koponan. So back to the ball game tayo.
But now, Rick, as you can see, 7-0 nothing run na nga in favor of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Napakaganda ng ating set number 3 dito para sa side ng ating CBSUA, and that's still an ace coming from the Buffaloes. Ito na nga, 8-0 nothing run. Anong gagawin ng Pasaka White Tigers to gain a point here on set number 3? Now, De La Peña to serve.
What a strong start para dito sa ating Buffaloes. Another free ball was given on their team. Peliran, too strong on that attack. So first point yon ng ating White Tigers.
Yes, that's the
A
first.
lucky break para dito sa White Tigers.
And that's also the first error for the side of the CBSUA. Now, this is the time to lessen or kahit wag nang gumawa ng error for the side of the Buffaloes. And that's a point again for the Buffaloes here. Pasaka White Tigers. needs to double their effort now dahil nga malaki na yung kalamangan nila sa ating set number 3. Now, jersey number 1 here. Sir.
Service error para kay Velasco. Now, the White Tigers need to have a score here. Great serve. Now, Rico in the middle. Ball is still alive. Free ball lang ibibigay dito ng White Tigers. Another error was committed by the Buffaloes, courtesy of De La Peña.
Now, nagsisimula na naman itong ating CBS-UA Buffalo sa kanilang mga error dito sa ating set number 3 na kailangan talaga nilang mabawasan ngayon dahil nga sunod-sunod na error ang kanilang nagagawa nila dito at nabibigyan nila ng chance itong ating Pasakaw White Tigers para makahabol pa sa kanila. But this is a great opportunity naman talaga dito sa ating Pasakaw White Tigers para mas pagbutihin pa ang kanilang laro sa ating set number 3. 9 serving 4 for our set number 3.
Ayan nga, Buffaloes giving 4 points to their opponent, but this time pinabawi nga dito si Bore on the side of the White Buffalo rather. Now Rico on the deck to serve. Free ball ang bibigay dito para sa CBS-UA. Rico setting up Llamas, but the ball is on the side of White Tigers. Long rally ang nakikita natin dito. Another error para dito sa ating CBS-UA Buffaloes. So ang 5 points na score ng ating White Tigers is galing sa error ng CBS-UA Buffaloes. So talagang you cannot give 3 points on your opponent if you want to end this game.
Yan, medyo nga nanggigigil na nga dito sa side ng ating CBS-UA Buffalo kaya medyo napapalakas yung kanilang mga palo. But on that last sequence, that's a service error coming from the Pasakaw White Tigers. Now, CBS-UA is lessen their errors now.
Ball is still alive. Now Rico ibibigay dito kay Llamas. With coverage on the net. But the ball is back on CBS-UA Buffaloes. What a great defense coming from both teams. Another long rally. Ball is still alive. Free ball dito para sa Buffaloes. Rico setting up his teammate. And De La Peña will end that long rally. Grabe. We need to commend the players of these both teams para doon sa last play na iyon. Talagang ayaw magpalapag ng bola. But De La Peña get a point coming from that hit. Another free ball. Llamas. Free ball lang ibibigay dito pero too strong on that para dito kay jersey number 14 ng ating Pasakaw White Tigers.
Yes, that Dragasti. At ang ating CBS-UA is still on the lead of 8 here. And another error was committed on their side. Bonus point na naman para dito sa ating Pasakaw White Tigers. Now, the CBS-UA need to lessen their errors now. And that's again another point for their team as it is a service error coming from the Pasakaw White Tigers. 14 serving 6 here. Jersey number 10, Bore, serve.
Tres Valles setting up Nogot. Chance para sa CBS-UA Buffaloes. Ball is still alive. Now again, chance for the Buffalo. Llamas in the middle. At makakakuha ng puntos
Na kung hindi lang dahil dun sa mga error ng CBS-UA, malaki na sana yung kalamangan nila against the White Tigers na kailangan talaga nilang bawasan throughout this set number 3 kung gusto nilang makuha ito. Or, di pa sa White Tigers, gagawing chance ito para makahabol sa ating Buffaloes.
And a lucky break coming from that last sequence para dito sa White Tigers. Now, jersey number 23 serving the ball. Again, error para dito sa White Tigers. You cannot afford to have an error kung kayo ang naghahabol para dito sa ating set number 3. Liama serving the ball. Another free ball. Chance again for the Buffaloes to score. Pero denied at the net. Triple block ang ibibigay dito kay De La Peña. So again, if you want to stop a strong attack, you need a tight, great defense. Net defense on the side of the White Tigers. Rico. The ball is back on the Buffaloes. Another great rally here. And the point will go on the side of the White Tigers.
Now, 16 serving 9 para sa ating set number 3. Now, De La Peña with that strong attack. Good coverage para dito sa ating White Tigers. Babawi. Ball still alive here. Pero, hindi na nakuha yan ng White Tigers with that error coming from Tres Valles. So the point will go on the side of the CBS-UA. Maganda sana yung rally natin kanina. There's still a chance.
Nabasa ang 1-2 play na yon. Now Nogot. Another great net defense. Pero this time, variation attack coming from jersey number 8, Corativo. So nagkaroon siya doon ng magandang desisyon na wag paluin ng malakas yung last play na iyon kasi bantay sarado talaga dito ang attackers ng CBS-UA Buffalo.
Yan, napatawag nga ng timeout dito sa side ng ating Pasaka White Academy dahil nga 9-point lead ang ating CBS-UA Buffalo dito sa ating set number 3. And again, they're 7 points away para makuha itong ating set number 3. And this is the chance for the Pasaka White Tigers para baguhin kung ano ba yung dapat nilang baguhin and to lessen their errors now. Napapalapit na ang pagtapos ng ating set number 3 at mamaya po, abangan nyo po sa ating game number 2 para sa ating men's volleyball. It's the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the Bicol University Wolves. That's a great match between these two great teams. Kaya abangan po natin yan mamaya po after this first game. Now,
chance ulit dito ni Corativo. So 4 touches dito ang natatawag sa CBS-UA Buffalo. Again, ang gandang net defense ang pinapakita sa atin dito ng White Tigers. That's why na i-intimidate dito ang attackers ng Buffaloes na nafo-force silang magkaroon ng error when it comes to their attack. Now Rico, another great defense para dito sa CBS-UA White Tigers rather. So on that last sequence nga, another rejection on the net.
yan. From set 1, set 2, up to set number 3, humahabol itong ating Pasaka White Tigers. Pero hindi sila naging consistent sa kanilang paghahabol. Now, Rico sets up. Nakuha nga nila. Ang pustos na yan. 19-11. 6 points away itong ating CBS-UA Buffalo para makuha ang kanilang set number 3 and to gain their first win on Bukal Season 5. Pero hahayaan ba yan ng Pasaka White Tigers o magpapakitang gilas pa sila dito sa ating set number 3? Now, jersey number 4 to serve here, Salvador.
Ayan, Tin. Let's acknowledge first our Bukal sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Will Print, Congressman Gabby Bordado, Representative 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Ateneo de Naga University, Liman Meat Shop, ACLC Naga, Flowers and Beyond, owned and managed by
Iris Alinante.
Lemon Residences, Dunkin' Donuts, Gold Glofa Real Estate Estate Development and Construction Enterprises, and NCF Wings. Thank you so much po for your support.
Now, Salvador again to serve for the CBS-UA Buffaloes. But that's a very crucial error coming from Salvador. And again, they've given the chance to the Pasaka White Tigers. Jersey number 15 now, Dolor, to serve here. Pero dinawi naman agad. Pero net touch para kay Bore ng CBS-UA dito. Hmm. 19 serving 13. Again, Dolor to serve. This time, it's error. Very crucial one dahil humahabol sila dito sa puntos ng CBS-UA Buffaloes. Lorente ngayon babalik sa side ng Buffalo as well as Castañares. 5-point away to get the set number 3 and to get their first win here on Bukal Season 5. Syempre maganda po yung mga susunod nating laban for our Game 2 and Game number 3. Kaya abangan nyo po yan. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV. Now, jersey number 12, Lorente. That's an ace coming from him. 4 points away para dito sa ating CBS-UA Buffaloes. Again, Lorente. Point will go on the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes. 10-point lead of the Buffaloes against the Pasaka White Tigers. Lorente again. Ball still alive here. Again, point for the side of the CBS-UA Buffaloes. Match point for the side of the Buffaloes here. Isang puntos na lamang at makakuha na nila ang kanilang unang panalo against the Pasaka White Tigers, Lorente. Pero outside, a very crucial error for him. 24-14. Now, Pasaka White Tigers, meron silang chance para pahabain pa itong ating set number 3. It's jersey number 9, Hinto, to serve. And that's it. Nakakuha na nga ng ating CBS-UA Buffaloes ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa Bukal Season 5, ending that 25-14, 3 straight set para sa ating first matchup. At sa ating pong pagbabalik, makikilala pa natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Meat Shop. Top quality guaranteed. Simply the best in Bicolandia. At nakuha na nga ng CBS-UA ang kanilang unang panalo for this season. And our best player of the game is jersey number 7 with 16 points, 13 attacks, and 3 service aces. He is none other than Mr. Alan Heliran. Hello, Alan. How does it feel na nakuha nyo na ang inyong unang panalo for this season?
Actually, happy po kasi po ito po yung first time namin na sumali dito sa Bukal, tapos ito na po ang pangarap namin na makapanalo ng laro dito.
And of course, as I can see, your consistency inside the court, ano ba yung personal mindset mo na nakatulong sa'yo during the game?
Ano lang po, fighting spirit, tapos sumusunod sa kung anong utos ng aming coach. Yun.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Hi po sa family ko, Family Hiliran, sa mga barkada ko, sa SK Fam, kang Jake Lipalam, hi, idol. Tapos sa mga ka-team ko, hi, salamat, and siyempre sa Diyos. Thank you, God.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, jersey number 7, Alan Heliran of CBS-UA. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulio. Balik sa inyo, Rick Cantin.
Best player of the game, jersey number 7, Alan Heliran with 16 points, 13 attacks, and 3 service aces. And again, congratulations to the CBS-UA Bufalos for getting their first win here on Bukal Season 5.
Talagang pinakitaan tayo ng dalawang kupunan kanina ng magandang laro, and congratulations to CBS-UA Bufalos for sweeping the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. So congratulations on their first win, and abangan natin ang nasa likod na namin nagwa-warm up, a matchup between the Bicol University Wolves versus the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Again, my name is Rick Cuerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanza Reyes. Abang-abang po for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.